Let's dive into the exciting world of kidney beans and discover all the good things they can do for our health. Kidney beans are a type of bean that are full of important nutrients. They can help keep us healthy and may even help prevent and manage many diseases. Let us look at the top 10 health benefits of kidney beans. At number 1. Improves heart health. Kidney beans are a good source of soluble fiber, which can help lower cholesterol levels by binding to cholesterol in the digestive system and preventing its absorption. They also contain significant amounts of antioxidants, magnesium, and potassium, which contribute to heart health by lowering blood pressure and reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease. The folate in kidney beans can help lower levels of homocysteine in the blood, a known risk factor for heart attack and stroke. At number 2. Helps with diabetes. The low glycemic index of kidney beans makes them beneficial for people with diabetes. Foods with a low glycemic index take longer to digest and absorb, causing a slower and more gradual rise in blood sugar levels. Additionally, the fiber in kidney beans can help improve glycemic control and insulin sensitivity, reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes and aiding in the management of blood sugar levels for those who already have diabetes. At number 3. Helps with weight management. High in protein and fiber, kidney beans can promote a feeling of fullness, reducing calorie intake by making you feel satiated for longer periods. This can lead to weight loss and help prevent obesity, a major risk factor for various chronic conditions, including heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. At number 4. Reduces risk of cancer. Kidney beans are rich in antioxidants and phytochemicals, such as flavonoids and phenolic acids, which can help reduce the risk of certain types of cancer. These compounds can neutralize harmful free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and preventing cellular damage that can lead to cancer. The fiber content also plays a role in cancer prevention, particularly colorectal cancer, by promoting a healthy digestive tract. At number 5. Improves digestive health. The high fiber content in kidney beans supports digestive health by promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. Fiber can also help in the prevention of digestive disorders like irritable bowel syndrome and diverticulosis by maintaining a healthy gut environment. At number 6. Helps prevent anemia. Kidney beans are a good source of iron, a critical component of hemoglobin in red blood cells, which is responsible for transporting oxygen from the lungs to the rest of the body. Consuming adequate amounts of iron can help prevent anemia, a condition characterized by fatigue and weakness due to a shortage of oxygen carrying capacity in the blood. For vegetarians and those who do not consume much meat, kidney beans can be an important dietary source of iron. At number 7. Improves bone health. Rich in various minerals including calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, kidney beans can contribute to building and maintaining strong bones. Magnesium and phosphorus are vital for bone structure, while calcium is essential for bone density and health. Regular consumption of kidney beans, along with other sources of these minerals, can help reduce the risk of osteoporosis and bone fractures in the long term. At number 8. Improves immunity. Kidney beans contain antioxidants such as vitamin C, which supports the immune system by protecting the body's cells from damage by free radicals and by supporting various cellular functions of both the innate and adaptive immune system. Additionally, the zinc found in kidney beans is crucial for immune function, including wound healing and fighting off bacteria and viruses. At number 9. Improves mental health. Kidney beans can also play a role in maintaining mental health. Their high content of B vitamins, especially folate and B6, is important for the production of neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which regulate mood. Regular consumption may help reduce the risk of mood disorders, including depression and anxiety. And finally, at number 10. Improved skin health. The antioxidants in kidney beans, including vitamin C and vitamin E, can contribute to skin health by combating the effects of oxidative stress, which can lead to premature aging. Additionally, the high protein content helps in the repair and regeneration of skin cells, collagen, and other structural components of the skin, promoting a healthy complexion. Embracing kidney beans in your diet is not just about enjoying their rich, satisfying flavor but also about making a positive impact on your health. Whether incorporated into salads, soups, or main dishes, these versatile legumes offer a simple yet powerful step towards a healthier lifestyle. Embrace the goodness of kidney beans and unlock the potential for lasting health benefits, proving that great things indeed come in small packages. For related articles and updates, look at the description below. We hope you found this video useful. Please like and subscribe to keep connected. Thank you.